Hi, this is Jabba Melvin. In this episode, we can see break even analysis with a problem and solution. Break even point is a point at which the total cost line intersect with the total sales line. So it is an equilibrium point. In this point, no profit, no loss. So in this episode, we can see the problem related to break-even point in units, break-even point in amount, margin of safety, then required sales volume to earn a particular profit. We can see the problem. Now we can see the problem related to break-even analysis. From the following information, calculate first contribution, second break-even point in units, third break-even point in amount, fourth one margin of safety, fifth one profit, sixth one volume of sales to earn profit of rupees 6,000. Data given: total fixed cost rupees 4,500, total variable cost rupees 7,500, total sales rupees 15,000, units sold 5,000 units. Then solution. First we have to prepare statement showing contribution per unit. In this, sales 5,000 units sold. Then the table, first column particulars, second column per unit rupees, third column total rupees. Then below particulars column, first sales per unit. The formula is sales amount divided by units sold. That is rupees 15,000 divided by 5,000 units is equal to rupees 3 per unit. Then less variable cost is equal to variable cost divided by units sold. That is rupees 7,500 divided by 5,000 units is equal to rupees 1.50 per unit. Then contribution per unit is equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. That is rupees 3 minus rupees 1.50 is equal to rupees 1.50 per unit. That is contribution per unit. Then total amount rupees 15,000 minus rupees 7,500 is equal to rupees 7,500. BEP in units. The formula is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Fixed cost given in the question rupees 4,500. Contribution per unit is rupees 1.5. Then rupees 4,500 divided by 1.5 rupees equal to 3,000 units. Break even point in units 3,000 units. Then break even point in amount. The formula is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit into selling price per unit. Rupees 4,500 divided by 1.5 rupees into 3 is equal to rupees 9,000. So BEP in amount is rupees 9,000. Then margin of safety. The formula is margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus break-even sales. Actual sales given in the question rupees 15,000. Then break-even sales calculated value is rupees 9,000. So rupees 15,000 minus rupees 9,000 is equal to rupees 6,000 margin of safety. Then profit. Profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Contribution amount is rupees 7,500 minus fixed cost rupees 4,500 is equal to rupees 3000 profit. Calculation of volume of sales to earn a profit of rupees 6000. Calculation of volume of sales to earn a profit of rupees 6000. So here we want to find out required volume of sales. Required volume of sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit, the total divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost given in the question rupees 4500. Then desired profit given in the question rupees 6000. Then divided by PV ratio already calculated. PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. 7500 divided by rupees 15,000 into 100. That is 50%. Okay, come to the solution. Rupees 4500 plus rupees 6000, the total divided by 50% is equal to rupees 21,000. Rupees 21,000. It is the required volume of sales to earn a profit of rupees 6,000.